Marguerite Derrida was a Czech-born French psychoanalyst. She translated many psychoanalytic works into French. Derrida trained as a psychologist at the Paris Psychoanalytic Society, and translated many works by Melanie Klein. She trained in anthropology with André Leroi-Gourhan in the 1960s. Derrida died in Paris on Saturday, March 21, 2020, from a COVID-19 infection. Aileen San Pablo Baviera was a Filipino political scientist and sinologist. She was one of the leading China experts in her country. From June 1998 to December 2001, Baviera was executive director of the Philippine-China Development Resource Center and at the same time until June 2005 associate professor at the University of the Philippines Asian Center. From September 2003 to October 2009, she was also Dean of the Asian Center. From July 2005, she was full professor, and from July 2010 chief editor for Asian Politics and Policy of the Policy Studies Organization in Washington, D.C. Most recently, she was president and CEO of the Asia Pacific Pathways to Progress Foundation. On the morning of March 21, 2020, Baviera died of pneumonia caused by the COVID-19 at the San Lazaro Hospital, Manila. Vicente Capdevila y Cardona was a Spanish lawyer and politician. He served as mayor of L'Hospitalet de Llobregat from 1973 to 1977, as Deputy of Congress from 1977 to 1979, representing Barcelona, as Member Parliament of Catalonia from 1980 to 1984, representing Barcelona. He died on the 21st of March 2020 of COVID-19 during the COVID-19 pandemic in Spain at the age of 83. Jacques Oudin was a French politician. He was member of the Senate of France from 1986 to 2004, representing the Department of Vendée. Oudin died on the 21st of March 2020 of COVID-19 at the age of 80. Jean-Jacques Razafindranzi was a Madagascar-born medical doctor. Born in Madagascar in 1952, Razafindranzi lived in Soissons with his wife, who also worked as a doctor specializing in pediatrics. He was immediately called to action for the outbreak of COVID-19 while returning from a vacation to Madagascar, a time during which his children described him as in good shape. However, a shortage of face masks and the stresses of working in healthcare during this time led to him catching the virus. He was immediately transferred to the CHU hospital in Lille, where he died on the 21st of March 2020. Lorenzo Sanz Mancebo was a Spanish businessman who was the president of Real Madrid between 1995 and 2000, and owner of Malaga CF. Sanz was the father-in-law of former Real Madrid and Spain national team defender Michel Salgado, who married his daughter Malula. Sanz's two sons, Paco and Fernando, were also professional footballers. As the owner of Malaga CF, he entrusted Fernando with the presidency of the club. Sanz died in the evening of the 21st of March 2020 at the age of 76, after testing positive for COVID-19. William George Stern was a businessman most notable as the owner of the British Stern Group of companies. When it collapsed in 1973, Stern became Britain's biggest bankrupt with debts of £118 million. The uninsured losses sustained by thousands of investors led directly to the creation of Britain's first Policyholders Protection Act. He died during the COVID-19 pandemic on the 21st of March 2020, due to complications brought on by COVID-19. Germà Colom i Domènech was a Spanish philologist of Romance philology and Catalan lexicology. He was appointed a professor at the University of Basel, in Switzerland. He received an honorary degree from the University of Valencia in 1984, from the University of Alicante in October 1990, from the University Jaume I of Castellón and the Autonomous University of Barcelona in January 2003. He donated his personal library, more than 20,000 volumes, to the University Jaume I of Castellón. Colom died in his home in Barcelona on the 22nd of March 2020, at the age of 91. The cause of death was reported as COVID-19, and had been suffering from respiratory problems for several years before. Benito Joanet Jiménez was a Spanish football player and manager. Born in Esplugues de Llobregat, Joanet played as a goalkeeper for Espanyol, Real Zaragoza, Terrassa, Europa and Deportivo de La Coruña. After retiring, he became a football manager, taking charge of Hercules, Castellón, Antequerano, Cadiz, Mallorca, Tenerife, Espanyol, Salamanca, and Las Palmas. Joanet died in Alicante on the 22nd of March 2020 from COVID-19, during the COVID-19 pandemic. José María Loizaga Viguri was a Spanish businessman. He was a director and vice president of ACS Group, and vice president of Zadoy Autos, among other companies. He had been chairman of Bodegas Aran and Bodegas Barón de Ley, board member of Bank Privé Edmond de Rothschild, Suez International, Otis International, Amorim Investment, Lacteals Garcia Vaquero, Unión Fenosa, Mecalux and president of the hotel portfolio. His extensive business career allowed him to be a direct witness and protagonist of the development of Spanish capitalism from 1970 to 2020, both for his status as a director and as a private investor. He died in Ciudad Real on the 22nd of March 2020 from COVID-19, during the COVID-19 pandemic in Spain. Michael Joseph Longo was an American jazz pianist, composer, and author. A big part of Mike Longo's mission was to re-establish the apprenticeship relationship in teaching jazz. He said, "I know jazz education is an important thing and I know that the field means well, but there seems to be a trend in that field to teach jazz where people are actually copying off recordings instead of actually learning to play jazz. The apprenticeship aspect of jazz has always been the way it has evolved." Mike Longo received a scholarship from the Fort Lauderdale Symphony Orchestra in 1955, a Downbeat Hall of Fame scholarship in 1959, and a National Endowment for the Arts grant in 1972. He was inducted into Western Kentucky University's Wall of Fame in 2002. Longo died in Manhattan on March 23, 2020, 3 days after his 83rd birthday, from complications of COVID-19. Maurice Berger was an American cultural historian, curator, and art critic, who served as a research professor and chief curator at the Center for Art, Design, and Visual Culture, University of Maryland, Baltimore County. Berger was recognized for his interdisciplinary scholarship on race and visual culture in the United States. On March 23, 2020, he fell ill and died at Copiague, New York due to heart failure, exacerbated by untested complications of COVID-19. Lucia Bose was an Italian actress who was at the height of her fame during the period of Italian neorealism, the 1950s. She was the mother of Spanish singer Miguel Bosé. Her career flourished until 1955, when she fell in love with Spanish bullfighter Luis Miguel Dominguín during the filming of Motete un Ciclista, and gave up acting to marry and raise a family. Bose died at the General Hospital of Segovia on the 23rd of March 2020 at the age of 89 from pneumonia complicated by COVID-19 during the COVID-19 pandemic in Spain. Carol Brookins was an American executive director of the World Bank and an expert on the global political economy. In 1980, she founded a company named World Perspectives, which focused on agricultural market analysis. Beginning in 1984, Brookins was given several roles in government. The first was as the chairman of the U.S. Department of State's Advisory Committee on Food, Hunger and Agriculture in Developing Countries. 6 years later, George H.W. Bush nominated her for the President's Export Council. Brookins died on March 23, 2020 in Palm Beach, Florida of COVID-19 during the COVID-19 pandemic. Sir Brian Crowe KCMG was a British diplomat who was ambassador to Austria, 1989 to 1992. He was born on the 5th of January 1938, the son of Eric Crowe, a diplomat, and Virginia Tuesler. His grandfather was Sir Eyre Crowe. He was educated at Sherborne School and Magdalen College, Oxford. Crowe died on the 23rd of March 2020 with COVID-19. José Felgado Blanco was a Spanish businessman, economist and politician. He was a member of the People's Party. He served as president of Red Electrica de España from 2012 to 2018, as deputy of Congress in 2000 and from 2004 to 2008, representing Zamora, as mayor of Tres Cantos from 2007 to 2012. Felgado also was Secretary of State for Budgets and Expenses between 1996 and 2000, for Economy, Energy and SMEs between 2000 and 2002, and for Energy, Industrial Development and SMEs since 2002 until 2004. He died on the 23rd of March 2020 of COVID-19 at the age of 75. Paul Karslake was a British artist, primarily a painter. He won the Evening Standard Environment Award in April 1990 for hoarding artwork for Wiggins Group plc, and in the same year became a Fellow of the Royal Society of Arts. His patrons included the Turf Club, Nabim, Geronimo Innes, Muhammad Al Fayed, Keith Richards, Brian May, and Yardley Smith. Commissions in other mediums included design or artwork for the Virgin F1 racing cars, for commercial aircraft, coaches and BBC Radio 1 roadshow trucks. In 2002, Karslake signed for reproduction rights with the Bridgeman Art Library. The Karslake Center, a center for arts education, was opened at the Cornelius Vermeulen School and Arts College on the 15th of September 2005. He died on the 23rd of March 2020 of sudden onset pneumonia, which was caused by COVID-19. Zororo Makamba was a Zimbabwean journalist and the son of Irene and James Makamba. Makamba posted commentary on Zimbabwean politics and society online under the heading State of the Nation, and hosted current affairs programs on ZFM Stereo and Mnet television affiliate Zambezi Magic. He had myasthenia gravis, a neuroskeletal muscular autoimmune disease, and underwent surgery to remove a thymoma gland tumor in November 2019. He was diagnosed on the 21st of March 2020 with COVID-19, 12 days after returning from New York City and 5 days after going to a doctor with a cough and fever. He died in Harare 2 days later, the first death in the country due to the disease. Samia Riaz was a Pakistani physician from Gilgit-Baltistan. During his career, Riaz screened pilgrims who had returned to Pakistan from Iran. He also treated people in intensive care diagnosed with COVID-19, despite lacking personal protective equipment, which increased his personal risk. Riaz died on the 23rd of March 2020 from the COVID-19 complications at the age of 26. Riaz was the first Pakistani doctor to die from the virus. Calogero Rizzuto was an Italian architect and historic preservationist. Since 2007, Rizzuto had been responsible for the cultural heritage of the Sicilian region on the Superintendenza in Ragusa and Syracuse. He also worked at the Museum of Camarina. Since summer 2019, he held the position of first director of the Archaeological Parks of Syracuse and devoted himself to the further development and securing of the archaeological sites. He died on the 23rd of March 2020 at the age of 65 during the coronavirus pandemic after a day of mishandling from the aftermath of COVID-19.